What's up, bros? Back at it again. Finally, I know it's been a couple weeks while posting a video, but it was my birthday on December 15th, and a week from that, then it was Christmas, and now New Year. So I was kind of busy. But today, what we're gonna do is change the oil filter and the oil on the G35 coupe, and I have other news. Hopefully by next month, well, this month already, by the end of this month, almost towards February, I'll probably wrap the car. Still don't know what color to wrap it. Hopefully you guys can help me. And I was going towards like a red color, and then also a like dark blue, like navy blue. Still don't know, because I used to have an Audi, and it was, I actually like that color. It's like a dark blue, almost, it kind of looked like black sometimes, but I don't know if it'll look good on a G35, who knows, but I'm kind of leaning more towards the red. And I also want to do get carbon fiber trunk, but I don't know if I should get the trunk and the hood, but we'll see. And there will be more mods coming also. It's because Christmas was busy for me, because I have a big family. I have to give them all gifts and everything, so now I have more time to spend on the car. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys don't know how to change an oil, it's not that hard. So all the time that my car scrapes, I always just think it was the bumper, this, but it was never really the bumper. It was always this little lip I have in the bottom, which is under this thing right here. So it'll be this lip that was. I'm thinking right now of taking it off. Right now that I'm taking off the bottom to change the oil on the car. And all you have to do is just take these little screws right here, which are around the car. That's all you have to do to get to the bottom, which is not hard or anything. Anyone can do it, And you'll find the filter under it. And all you have to do is open the hood. So all we're gonna do is gonna open this, take it off, and when we take this off, then we're gonna take the bolt from the bottom from the oil, and it's gonna leak all the oil into one of those pans. And that's all you're gonna have to do. Just replace the filter, and you should be good. So hope you guys enjoy this video. So I took the bottom part off already. I'll show you guys what you guys have to take off, so you guys can drop the oil. That one right there, that's the one that you have to take off so the oil can come out. And there's your filter that you need to replace. So we're gonna remove this so it can allow air to go through. There you guys go. It's leaking. You have to let it all come out, and then we're gonna take out the filter right now. And the filter is gonna leak a little bit also. So yes, so you guys can be careful not to drip oil or anything you guys do in your driveway or whatever. And then when everything's done coming out, then we'll just switch the filter, and then we will put the lead nut back, and then we'll pour our oil from the top. And the car takes 5 quarts. All cars are different, so just ask whoever, Google it or whatever, and you find out how much quarts your car should take of oil. check if always check the bottom when you pour the new oil, just in case if it's dropping, if there's like a leak or anything. But right now there's nothing. Everything's fine. So I just have to put everything back together, and it's all good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share also, so the channel can grow.